There's a tiny patch of desert in the middle of Australia which has somehow been the site of two of our most important criminal cases, the death of Azaria Chamberlain and the Crabbe murders. In August 1983, Crabbe, a truck driver, was ejected from the Inland Motel bar due to his intoxicated behaviour. A short time later, he used his semi-trailer as a weapon, driving it straight through the wall and into the packed bar. 4 people were killed outright, and a 5th died in hospital. 16 others were injured. Crabbe got out and simply left. He was arrested the next day. During his trial, the judge summed up for the jury by telling them they could convict Crabbe in 3 circumstances. First, if they found that he intended to cause death or really serious injury to any of those in the bar. Second, if they found that he knew that it was likely that driving his truck into the bar would cause death or really serious injury. Third, if he knew there was a possibility, but he took no steps to find out how likely it was that driving the truck into the bar would cause death or really serious injury. The jury found him guilty. The appeals court focused on the third direction to the jury. Can a person be considered to have been reckless as to causing harm if they didn't know the risk, but they remained willfully ignorant? The High Court said no. The unanimous judgment read, "The conduct of a person who does an act, knowing that death or grievous bodily harm is a probable consequence, can naturally be regarded for the purposes of the criminal law as just as blameworthy as the conduct of one who does an act intended to kill or do grievous bodily harm." This has become our core definition of recklessness. They continued, "There is a difference between a case in which a person acts knowing that death or serious injury is only a possible consequence and where he knows that it is a likely result. The former is not a case of murder even if death ensues, unless death or grievous bodily harm is intended." As a result, the jury had been misdirected and a retrial was ordered. Crabbe was found guilty, sentenced in 1985 to life in prison, and as of 2020, that's where he remains.